Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're passionate about animation or just curious about the future, you're in for a treat today. We're diving into the best animation workflow for 2026. So grab your PC and let's hop right in. Now, we all know that the animation landscape is changing fast. Tools are evolving and techniques are getting more efficient. But you might be wondering, what will my animation workflow look like in just a year? But here's where things get exciting. With tools like Cascadeur, we're entering a new era. Imagine cutting down your animation time by 90%. Seriously, the tedious bits are about to be a thing of the past. Check this out. I have 4 keyframes for my character's movement. Instead of manually in-betweening all those frames, let's just hit this purple button. Boom. Cascadeur generates a natural transition. Pretty neat, right? Look at that. The animation is already looking cohesive. But wait, let's take it a step further. If we activate the physics estimator, we can see how real-world physics would affect these movements. With the green simulation, you can see the momentum and weight shifts being applied. It's like having a physics genius as your assistant talk about a game changer. Now, let's bake these calculations into our base animation. Here we go. Just like that, we have a polished animation ready for refinement. You can tweak and perfect to your heart's content. And trust me, that's the streamlined workflow we all dream of. All right, folks, to sum it up, your best animation workflow in 2026 will harness powerful tools like Cascadeur. You'll focus more on the creative aspects rather than getting bogged down in repetitive tasks. More time creating means more time focusing on storytelling and artistry. For just $8 a month, Cascadeur is way more affordable than Adobe's subscription, and you can even try it out for free. Plus, I've got a special discount for you, 25% off for a limited time. Grab that link in the description below, 25% off for a limited time. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more content like this, and let me know in the comments, what's your dream animation tool for the future? Can't wait to hear your thoughts. Until next time, keep creating and have an amazing day.